So, tap the bottle. Twist it down. Take a scratch. Let out a belch. Prepare yourself for battle. This one's cold. It's not lukewarm like the other one. But here we go. Padre, music please. Here we go. This video is going to be more focused on the belching aspect. And it really is about getting this beer done too quickly. Because I've learned to find out that the belching is amazing. And a proper belch will make a beer taste really good. Last one was a bit weak, but starting to work on my belching. I'm trying to break sound barriers with my belching. Usually the end belches are a little bit weak, but we'll see. But more belching coming soon. Peace. I'm out of here.